Somonene hase ewizara yo obo chenu PS Mary Muthoni niko bona gukwana somoiga wariganirwa ase kanisa ya St Thomas Cathedral ensemo ya Kirugoya ekerugo gochengera ritkurie Chisemi asenseme yo county ya Kirinyaga niko mweshimiwa Muthoni haruro kobole uchasa babori koenekia bunangwanchira na baro gochenche gwechingaki akoenekia bunangwanchira bara barokwa babokoenekia konyora Chisemi echo chirengaine nechingaki chigandata sebona asakire koko omoroberio omuyabo kobwatoka Chisemi OCBE hasebona atabira aborkwa bechinga kechiga nigo abwente konyora Chisemi echo korengana na yagendrete ase chinga kechiga.
That education is a collaborative effort and it requires resources. Today we have a dual purpose. One is to celebrate, but also to raise funds to support vital education related activities in the diocese, including providing bursaries to our needy learners. Therefore, the diocese has already outlined the transparent budget that they will give us for the 2026. I want to assure you that the government continued support for our schools. Today, I was supposed to come with the PS for basic education, Professor Julius Bitok, but he had an urgent travel made, so he was not able to make it. Lakini amewasalimia. Mmesalimika kwa PS wenu. So I want to assure you of the government's continued support for our schools, and I speak to you as a fellow believer and a partner in this divine mandate of teaching and learning. When you give today, you're not just giving a budget. You're giving a uniform for our needy children, helping a student stay in class, and any other project that the church may have. To the students receiving awards today, congratulations. Congratulations, congratulations. Let your minds continually be renewed and do not settle for